Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be prepping and resetting for 2025. I'm going to be cleaning, planning, and just getting organized for the new year. Thumbs up if you enjoy. Definitely comment below some things you like to do to get ready for the new year. Also make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. My goal is to hit 200,000 subscribers before 2025. If you're not subscribed, please help me hit my goal. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you have an amazing year, and I hope you had a great new year celebrating. Let's just get into the video. The first thing I'm doing to reset is getting my nails done. Currently I have Christmassy nails, so I just want to get some clean neutral pink nails for the new year. I'm also getting a lash fill. My lashes are looking super sparse. My appointment's actually right now, so let's go. Here are my nails. They look very clean. I love a good set of neutral kind of pink nails. Also got my lashes filled. My lashes look so fresh. They look so good. Just feeling so fresh for the new year. I'm just gonna go home and do a little planning, get mentally organized. Really want to set some goals for the new year, reflect on the previous year, make a vision board. Let's go. It is time to get organized for 2025. Before making new goals and getting ready for 2025, I just want to reflect on 2024. Look at my vision board from last year. Just kind of see what I wanted to achieve last year, what I did achieve, what I didn't achieve. Just kind of reflect on last year visually with my vision board. Also, how cute is this case? I also have a matching one for my phone. How cute are these? I've been using these for the last couple weeks and I am obsessed with them. These cases are from Berga. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, so thank you so much to Berga for sponsoring. They have so many cute designs. Berga's designs are based on fashion trends. They're literally all so aesthetic. They have more than 300 trendy designs to pick from. They're also super durable and protective. I just got a new iPhone 16 Pro and I'm really bad about dropping my phone, so I have to have a protective case. It can be really hard to find ones that are cute and also protective and not super bulky, so I love that Berga's cases are slim, they're cute, aesthetic, and they're also really protective. Like I said, I've been using these cases for the last couple of weeks. I've definitely dropped my phone a few times. As you can see, my phone in the case has definitely held up. Celebrities like Taylor Swift, Lucy Hale, Cara Delevingne wear Berga cases. I've tried a lot of phone cases, but Berga is seriously one of my favorites. They're so cute and aesthetic, and I love that they actually protect my phone. Berga has a really great deal where you can buy 4 cases and only pay for 2. Plus get an extra 15% off everything with my code EmilyX15. Definitely click the link below to get that discount. I also got an iPad case and a laptop case. I just love that they're like matching. They're so cute. I'm loving this like dainty flower print lately. I seriously just can't get enough of these. They're all so cute. For my phone, I got 2 of the Elite cases and 2 of their Tough cases. These are the 2 Elite cases that I got. I got this star one and then this Sweetheart one. There's 2 different options. You can get the black or the white. I love this case. This case is really protective. The Elite cases have Cloud Guard technology that absorbs up to 90% of the impact. They also have raised bezels around the screen and camera to protect against flat drops, and they also have a microfiber lining to keep your phone cozy and protected from scratches within. I also got a couple of the Tough cases. This is the Strawberry Jam and this is the Prairie Print. The Tough cases have a double layer of protection and shock absorption, scratch resistant glossy finish, and the case covers all around the phone with a raised bezel for screen protection. As you can see, it's super slim. Something I love about Berga is they also have a 12-month warranty. I'm just obsessed with all of these prints. They're so perfect for a 2025 rebrand. Freshen up your phone for the new year and take advantage of the buy 2 get 2 phone cases deal and the extra 15% off everything with my code EmilyX15. Shop Berga and get yourself some new cases through the link in my description. I feel like I was literally just doing this. It seems like it was just the new year. Here's my 2024 vision board. Let's just zoom in here at the top. I have some pictures from Disney, girls trip to Disney, and I did go on a girls trip to Disney with my sister and her friend Avery for my sister's bachelorette trip, and that's exactly what this picture was for. That was really fun, really good memories, and I feel like my sister felt really special for her bachelorette. I actually just put coffee on there just because I like to drink coffee, but I actually did end up getting an espresso machine, which is funny because this picture looks like a bunch of espresso shots, and I was learning how to make espresso this year, so I actually didn't really intend for that. This double bag is just supposed to mean like travel, weekend trips. I took a lot of trips to visit my sister this year. Not as many as I wanted to. I definitely want to visit her more this year. She just moved to Arkansas. Definitely want to visit her more this year. This picture was just meant to be like cooking more. Definitely didn't cook very much this year. This picture is just like getting coffee with friends, beach, which we did get to go. I don't think I stepped foot on a treadmill at all this year. I even have a walking pad. I don't even think it's moved since last New Year's. So I definitely need to get out my walking pad, get some steps in this New Year's. This will probably stay on there. Girls Making Pottery is just meant to be like doing more fun activities, more hobbies, which I feel like I didn't really do. This is actually crazy because this almost happened. I almost got flown out to LA with one of my favorite brands to do like a photo shoot, and there was gonna be like a wardrobe fitting, but it was like super last minute. And so it didn't end up working out, but that would have been crazy if it did. This is just like working with brands, new opportunities. This is funny, I put a puppy on here. Last year I was kind of thinking about getting a puppy, and honestly all throughout this whole year I've been considering getting a puppy. The more I think about the responsibility, even just the financial responsibility, just all the different responsibilities that come with having a dog, I'm like, I just don't know if I'm ready for that responsibility. I decided I just don't really want a dog right now. It's funny because my sister ended up getting a puppy that looks exactly like this, like almost exactly. This is just a house. I'm still working towards my goal of buying a house. This is just like taking pictures, and specifically like physical pictures, and I did get a phone camera this year. This is just reading, but specifically reading the Bible. I did buy a new Bible this year, but I didn't really read much of it. I did read Genesis. I wanted to read it front to back specifically. Now I'm wondering if that's not the best way to go about it. 1 million subscribers, that's always gonna be something that I'm working towards, and just growing my channel, making more money. I feel like that's a goal for everybody. I accomplished some things. This year was kind of a year of growth, but not really seeing much results. Maybe it's like a year where things are really happening for everybody else, but not really for you, and really be a year where you're growing a lot, and then as you're growing a lot, the next year will be the year that maybe you see things happen. It was a really cool year. My sister got married this year, so it was a really special year. Let's move on. Now we're gonna make some new goals for 2025. I wanna make a list of 10 things to really focus on in 25. I made a list of my goals for 2025, specifically the main 10 things that I want to work on. Sometimes I just go crazy and I make a lot of goals. I like to break it down into categories of like finance, spiritual, health and wellness, work / social media. Sometimes it's just like too many goals to even focus on. It is nice to kind of just have those goals written down and in the back of your head so you can kind of keep them in mind and work on them. I do just kind of want to narrow it down and just make a shorter list to focus on for 2025. I'm just gonna read them off to you. First one is to post consistent short form content, post more on TikTok, post more on Instagram, specifically 4 times a week. I was gonna say daily, but I feel like that is a little bit unachievable to go from posting inconsistently to daily. I feel like 4 times a week is still consistent, but not unachievable. To post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts 4 times a week, I think that is like a really good goal. 250,000 subscribers, that is kind of like a big goal. It's been a goal for a long time, but I have grown a decent amount on YouTube this year, so I feel like I could maybe hit that. I'm gonna keep posting every Tuesday and then do like a bonus video maybe every other week. Work with 10 new brands in 2025. I feel like that is also achievable. It's less than 1 a month. It's always like really fun working with new brands. I love partnering with brands that I've worked before as well. I'm not gonna say the actual number, but I want to save like a certain dollar amount every month. I'm gonna do that by intentional spending. I'm really gonna think about if I need this. Is it something I'm gonna use all the time, or is it something that I'm just gonna wear like a couple times and not wear again? Take more photos and make like a little scrapbook or photo album. I feel like a really easy way to do this would just be to do it each month, kind of like your highlights and best memories of each month, to just make like a scrapbook page of it. I didn't know that you were supposed to back up your phone, so when I was in high school, my phone just like turned off one day and didn't turn back on, and I lost all my pictures. I'm always like really stressed that I don't have my pictures like printed out or something. Read 1 book each month. That might be a little ambitious. I do want to start using my walking pad in 2025. I made the goal to walk for 2 hours 4 times a week. Read the Bible for 20 minutes 4 times a week. Visit my sister 3 times in the year by myself, because I feel like we'll do a lot of family trips where we'll go visit her, specifically where I'm just going and visiting her, just me, sister time. Lastly, travel to 1 new place. Those are my 2025 goals. I know they're not really that groundbreaking. A lot of them are unfortunately kind of like repeats from last year. If you guys watched last year's video, hopefully this will be the year that I actually keep to the goals. I tried to kind of make them more achievable so I can actually keep them this year so we won't have to repeat them next year. Let me know what your guys' goals are. Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna make a vision board. I absolutely love doing this. Like seriously, it's one of my favorite things. Basically, I like going on Pinterest and just saving any picture that's kind of like aesthetic and represents my goals, and also just kind of what I want my 2025 to look like. I want it to be like aesthetic and inspiring, but I also want it to be kind of purposeful and represent my goals. It is ultimately just a visual representation of my goals. I'm gonna go on Pinterest and save all those pictures, and then I'm just gonna kind of collage them together. make it look cute. I also like to add quotes and phrases that kind of represent my 2025. Let's make the vision board. Here is my 2025 vision board. I think it turned out super cute. I'm gonna make this the wallpaper on my phone, on my iPad, on my laptop. I'm gonna make this like the cover photo on a bunch of my Notion pages. That is everything I did to kind of get mentally organized for the new year, but now I just want to completely deep clean my apartment and get it all physically ready for the new year. quite a bit later. All my Christmas decorations are put away. It's kind of bittersweet because I always get so excited for Christmas. Also, I just love the feeling of like a fresh apartment. I just get really sick of the red and green. I am gonna be doing a huge closet clean out soon and just like a bunch of decluttering and organizing. I feel like I need a whole other day to do that. After doing all these things, I just feel like I really have my life together for the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with. Definitely thumbs up if you did enjoy. Comment below something you like to do to just kind of get ready for the new year. Also, I just want to say thank you to Berga for sponsoring this video. I'm obsessed with their cases. I've gotten so many compliments on them. Definitely check them out. I'll have a link below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had an amazing start to 2025. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.